Shit, man. Cold as hell. Cold as fuck. Man. Alright. Go warm up more. Going on a drive right now, guys. Whoever's watching, appreciate you guys tuning in. That last video I posted got more views than I anticipated, so I'm gonna just keep on grinding away. I appreciate whoever tunes into these shits. Right now in New York, we are having a crazy storm. Crazy storm. Probably one of the craziest storms I've ever freaking even driven in. I've been out since 9 this morning, fucking running around and shit. We're making our last stop of the day. We gotta go. I'm driving out to Fairport. And people who don't live in Rochester, you know, but Fairport's is, Fairport's the town. But anyway, we driving out in the snow. I figured, yo, this is perfect. How about record and see how good my car does in this shitty storm. Pray we don't get stuck. Shouldn't get stuck. I'm not driving anywhere crazy. And the key to driving in shitty weather like this, take your time. We ain't gonna be wilding out. I don't got no one I need to impress. I'm just trying to get A to B safely. And this is something that this car can do very easily. It's not very hard to. So we're just gonna drive, enjoy the drive. Look at this crazy snow out here in Rochester, man. This is nuts. Fucking man. But yeah, where do you guys live? Are you guys experiencing this crazy storm right now? If you are, like, let me know. Tell me your experiences with this shit. We got plows out and shit. There ain't really much like salt or nothing on the road, but I don't even think the salt's gonna do shit, to be completely honest. But we'll see. We gotta drive all the way over to my mom's and pick something up real quick. But yeah, I was just gonna see how we do in the drive, record, see what happens out on the road today. Doesn't seem like there's very much people out on the road because they're smart. The snow started pretty bad about like an hour and a half ago. And it's coming down fast. So I think by tonight we're gonna have like a couple feet, more than likely. So I'm gonna try to be careful, man. The snow makes you like really pay attention, or at least if you're a smart person. Most people just fucking send the shit out in the snow, but nah, the snow keeps me 10 toes, bro. Gotta say 10 toes in the snow, especially considering my brakes aren't the best, so I need to get new brake pads. It's for another day, another video. You're gonna do them. I love this car just for the, we got amber lamps coming up. Ambulance. Gotta make way for that boy. most definitely should not be out here, but I'm a dumbass. So, do as I say, not as I do. I'm honestly just doing it for the love of driving at this point. Because if I didn't like driving, I would not be out here. And sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Funny. So that feels great right now. I'm more worried about these other drivers who are around me, because it don't seem like people are very cautious for the most part. People just be kind of dip and drive and go fast and shit. It's just like, yo, the roads ain't that nice, guys. You gotta chill. We gotta chill, bro. We share the road. We share the road, man. We share it. As long as we share it, then we ain't gonna like nothing going on. Like, if we share the road, nothing's gonna happen. Like we ain't gotta. We're all getting to the same fucking place, so. Or maybe not the same place, but we all got a destination, you know? Yeah, I gotta keep my shit in low gear, because I gotta have enough power to, like, pull through, but. Hey, I guess that's a big pro about having an automatic in weather like this. Like, I feel like having a manual would be pretty rough, not gonna lie. Anyone who drives a manual, let me know, like how is it driving it in the winter? Is it worse? Is it easier? Do you guys not prefer it? Yeah, I'm keeping it a good 45. 10 under, man. Ooh, got ice hitting my car. We gotta get to our destination safe, y'all. Rochester, New York life, man. Shit, we be having them winters for sure. If you don't know, you don't know, man. Like, shit. If you do not know, you do not know. Because the snow is no joke. Some people are struggling, and like this guy out over here struggling. He in the ice. I'm in like the middle lane type of shit. Why I get over? Damn. People will go way too fast in this, man, trying to get ahead of some people, and it's not safe. ball joints. I got like better bearings and a new axle literally the other day. So my car is feeling very, 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 very solid right now. So I'm happy. If I didn't have all that work, I don't know how confident I'd be on the road right now. Yo, guys, it literally sounds like there is just icicles just smacking my car right now. It don't even like, this is kind of nuts. It goes to show how like beautiful and also like dangerous Mother Nature can be. It's like, yesterday it was cold, but like it was clear. We had clear skies. Well, clear skies. It was a little sunny at one point. Damn. Till it's like summertime, so I can actually start getting up under the car and stuff, like doing some nice like summer drives and stuff. I like the winter for some reasons more because you just stay inside more, but I like being able to drive and enjoy the drive, not have to be so cautious all the time. But there's a time and a place. There's a time and a place. So far, so good. We are doing good on this drive, though. Just taking my time because your boy don't want to spin out. Most definitely gonna have to get some tires in the upcoming week or so, because woo. It's easier to drive in the snow, but at nighttime, bro, forget about it. Forget about that. Unfortunately, with my car, can't have that much fun in the snow because it's front wheel drive. So front wheel drive, if you try to like drift, you ain't drifting. It's just gonna be a bunch of torque steer and slipping and sliding, and not very safe driving. Like shit, yesterday I was at a light. And I was trying to leave the light, and I literally, like, I didn't even like try to do this. I just like put my foot on the gas and try to just go. And because of all of the ice and the snow that was on the road, my car did I've never done a burnout before, but my car did a fucking burnout, dog. I've never done that before in any car I own. But yo, just the mix of like the water and shit, like I was like, damn, like that's how slippery it is. I need some new tires. Definitely need some new tires. It's kind of nuts though. Like, I ain't never seen the roads this bad before. on driving for a little bit, especially in these conditions. But you know, it'll be a chill video. But whoever be watching these videos, or if you do like watch the videos, like just drop a like, comment, subscribe. Like I want to know, like I want to know more about the people watching these videos and stuff. Like what do you guys be doing in your free time? Like what are y'all into? Like do y'all like, you know what I'm saying? Like what, like how's your day going? How's everyone doing today? You watching the video today? How are you doing today? Did you drink water? Did you eat some breakfast? You know what I'm saying? Are you about to eat some lunch? Some dinner almost? You know, like how you doing? Are you sitting down watching this, eating? Are you playing a game watching this? You just like, did you just stumble upon this, decided to click on it? Like, what's up? How you doing? I'm gonna get off on these highways just because. Nah, I think I can probably do it. I'll be straight. Might have actually been better to stay on the highway. point, I can feel my car just like sliding. It's kind of funny until it's not. But I think we're okay. Myself. Doing it myself. In the Accord, man. Oh my goodness. It wouldn't be so bad if this was like not uphill. But I know if I don't keep a decent speed, I'll not have traction type shit. So at this point, we're just gonna kind of like use up both lanes. Not really, but we're trying to like not slide across the fucking road. Sketchy. If these mugs in this other lane get a little loosey-goosey, there's gonna be a little accident here. So we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful. Oh, here the plows come. Sheesh. You're going the wrong way though, man. Driving in the snow in upstate New York. It's driving slow and steady and hoping you're not smacking potholes, these hidden potholes. Tomorrow's gonna be like, it's still gonna be snowing tomorrow, and this is like, this ain't the worst I've seen. Like, I feel like it could be much worse, or it might get much worse. So I guess we'll see. video too long because this drive is getting to be almost gonna be an hour and a half long. But listen, this is whoever is driving, watching this video and out in this storm, bro, be careful because it's real. I just wanted to hop on the camera, record a little bit of driving in this, you know, because I love driving, and you know I want to keep putting POVs out, DIYs, like, you know, fixing the car, you know, all that stuff. Like all this stuff is gonna keep coming, more content. Trying to keep it daily to weekly, like multiple videos a week. If I can do every day, I can. But yeah, whoever tuned into this video, I appreciate y'all. Be safe out there in this weather, Rochester, New York, you know. But until next time, y'all, I'll see you.